course, oh, there we go. Mailman, you trying to steal my products? Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior here, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by because you're curious what is in an Ipsy Mystery Bag, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so if you have been to my channel before, you know I do Ipsy unboxings. I get the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus as well as the Ipsy Glam Bag X once a quarter. I do also shop Ipsy add-ons, as you're well aware. What I have never done before is purchase an Ipsy mystery bag. So, fingers crossed this is worth the $30. $5 more than a normal Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So, curious. Let me know. Do you pick up these mystery bags? Have you gotten some good stuff? I'm worried I'm going to either get shades of makeup that I can't wear because it's too dark or meant for a different skin tone, or I'm going to end up with a bunch of duplicates. Now, duplicates are fine if it's something I love and enjoy, but if it was a wah-wah duplicate, that's... All right, enough speculation. Let's dive into the bag. This bag has seen better days. Look at the gross dirt. It looks like it's open, partially, but of course... Oh, there we go. Mailman, you trying to steal my products? This, by the way, weighs more than I was anticipating. I don't have exact weights. And I selected this specific mystery bag because they did show the bag that comes with it. And it is one I already own that I got in the very first Ipsy Glam Bag X, which I really enjoy the size and shape. You will see in a moment. Dun, dun, dun. Here it is. This little guy here, and I say little, it is larger than some other bags, but compared to the bags we got when they first did the, I don't even know what it's called at this point. It was their original $50 bag that didn't last very long. You got an extremely large makeup bag. This bag I got with the Khloe Kardashian Glam Bag X. And it has a little handle, and it has a nice zipper, and you can fit a ton of stuff in here. So, I'm glad I now have a second one of those bags. Alright, let's grab and see what the first product is. Oh my god. So, I'm excited. Already this box paid for itself. This is a brand I love and enjoy. This is from Kate Somerville and is the Goat Milk Condition and Restore Moisturizing Cream. I have one of these. I want to say I got it in like the first FabFitFun I ever got. It is lovely, and I will list on the screen the price, but if memory serves, it's like $65 or higher. All right, okay. I was nervous about this mystery bag. Yay, the rest could be crap, and I will be happy. I hope it's not, but you know what I mean. All right, next item. Ooh, I feel some brushes. Yes, who are these from? Be Beautiful, Be You. Oh, thank you. This is from F.A.R.A.H, and they have some... I've gotten brushes from them in the past. Honestly, I haven't had a formed opinion yet. But these are very cute. If I can open them. These are very cute, very light. Like they're painted to look metal, and I thought in the package they were, but they feel like just really light plastic, but made to look metal. These feel synthetic to me. Nice. The handles aren't the best quality. They're super lightweight, very easy to travel with. Not mad. I love a good brush. All right, what else did I get? All right, I got a product from Violet Voss. What are you? All right, this is 6 color eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. Ooh, very small, but great for travel. Please be a color story I will enjoy. I'm on the fence. So these colors, yes, these are very in person, more so than on camera. They're very neon. But yes, I think particularly this orange coral is super, super neon. What I see in my viewfinder does not give this actual color justice. All right, so this is very cute. I think I'll keep it. I'll give it a try. Comment down below if you'd like me to do an eye look using this on camera. And yes, we can see how bad or how good that ends up on my eye. All right, makeup, good. Next item. Oh, there had to be at least one dud. This is a dud for numerous reasons. This is from a Trèstique, reason 1. Trèstique Good Vibes Mascara with Curler. Reason number 2, I've already received this. Reason number 3, I only wear waterproof mascara. Reason number 4, it comes with a curler attached that is way too small to actually get over your eyelashes. I will set this aside for a future giveaway, but considering I've liked every other product, not mad. Ooh, what is this next item? Which is extremely squished, but rather hefty. What are you? Beach Mist. Broom de Plague. What? What is that? Like French? When I say plague, it sounds like plague, but I think plage is beach in French because playa is beach in Spanish. And yes, okay. What are you? When you say beach mist, what does that mean? The lifestyle company, Los Angeles. Let's spritz it and see what it smells like and how the mister is. Not the best mister. Does not smell like, when I think of the beach, I think like coconut. I don't know, it smells like sandalwood maybe. I'm not the best at perfume scents. And thank God, I was going to spritz it on my face. I don't know that this is meant for your face. I'll have to look that up during editing. It feels a little sticky and tacky on, it ended up on my arm. I'm not sure what a beach mist is about. Is that for your hair? Did I just spray? I don't know. Let's see if I can't figure that out. Directions. Shake gently before use and spray onto face or desired area of body. Wow, that can go on your face? Okay, so it's a Botanical After Sun Spray. Still not sure. Comment down below if you know proper use after sun spray. Like what? All right, I'm going to just move along. Or not. That was the last item. All right, well, let's recap what I got in this $30 Ipsy Mystery Bag. So I got a very lovely ballet slipper pink makeup case, a beach spray, whatever that is, a tiny 6-pan eyeshadow palette, a 5-piece eye brush set from F.A.R.A.H, a mascara from Trèstique, and the star of the mystery bag is a Kate Somerville Goat Moisturizer. What are your thoughts? Honestly, I had set my expectations down here. So seeing the Kate Somerville immediately brought it up to here. There were a few other little products that were okay, and then we kind of stopped there. But still, that's a lot higher than that. So, yay, definitely worth $30. I'm going to list on the screen the actual MSRP value. And yes, let me know, how many times have you purchased a mystery bag from Ipsy? This was my first time. I will need to see if I want to do it again. Mainly, it will be the bag, because they do show the bag you get. And if I enjoy the bag, then why not? Just, toss some money out into the wind and hope you get at least as good as Kate Somerville. All right. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. What helps my channel out immensely is this guy here, which is somewhere down here. Just hit the thumbs up. It does help with the YouTube algorithm. And then for those who do subscribe, please hit the bell icon so that you're notified of future videos. All right. Thanks, everyone.